One of the most underrated outdoor features that you probably never even thought about is outdoor pathways. We're going to have a whole video on how important an outdoor pathway is right now, how beautiful an outdoor pathway can be, and really how necessary a backyard pathway is. How to get from point A to point B, you need that pathway. So here's a whole video on it right now.
Hi guys, what is our Tuesday tip? Give attention to pathways as an important design element. Pathways in backyard spaces make an unmistakable footprint in outdoor living design. This video will focus on the ease pathways make for us while adding overall aesthetic beauty. You know, I've always loved pathways. They exist in our everyday world when walking through backyards and landscapes, but we never talk about them. When was the last time you said, "Hey, did you notice how great that path was?" So you see what I mean? There is something unique about pathways. They feel good as we walk along them, and although unexpressed, we consciously enjoy the pathways to our destinations. So during the design process, your mind is on choosing the big, beautiful features you've dreamed of, like the outdoor kitchen or fire pit, or in-ground spa. But think about how these will connect. Pathways allow access. They create flow and are pivotal to an efficient use in your outdoor space. They lead us to the destinations we're drawn out to, while being standout features of their own, as you can see here in the Kimberly Court property. Pathways, boulder steps, and a step over waterfall. It all flows perfectly. Next, in the Edwards property, we see an overgrown front yard and entranceway. By adding concrete steps and walkways, the transformation is a design masterpiece. And talk about curb appeal.
So I think really the aspects of the project that we really wanted was certainly more parking, a pathway to the front door, stairs. You know, in an icy situation, all we had, you know, in the existing layout was up the driveway, walking up the driveway. So the way it looked before, we had, it was
wild.
It was certainly
Unkept.
wild, but we had very large junipers that shielded a lot of the house, and it was okay for privacy, but it was not pretty, and it was hard to take care of.
What a dramatic difference stairways and walkways made here. It's beautiful. You know, walkways can be used to tie areas of a landscape together. It provides fluid accessibility, like in the Gilbert property. Notice the steep dirt hill in this side yard. Betcha no one went this way to get to the backyard before. By adding this boulder staircase, we created easy access to the backyard living space, and we couldn't resist adding a private nook under the stairs. Pathways can actually set the mood in your outdoor space. This can be done through design, style, color, and even texture. And there are so many options. Pathways can be natural stone, flagstone pavers, gravel with wood, concrete, and many more landscape materials. This cabin in the woods shows off many pathways, winding you through and around a forest setting. From the driveway, out to the garage, round to the back porch, or headed toward the fire pit. A mix of slate hardscaping, gravel with stepping stones, and boulder steps all provide pathways to take you to all destinations in the landscape. We've all been in the forest before. Imagine if they weren't there, the shoe-soaking paths that we'd have to edge out on our own. Yes, pathways may be overlooked, but they allow you to walk through your outdoor space all year round without getting your shoes wet and dirty. Okay, back from the woods, let's walk through a mix of concrete pathways. We love these modern landscape looks. Okay, ready, set, go. Before and after pathways. It's cool to have a path go up and over a waterfall feature. Boulders are also a unique feature for stairways or along a pathway. These styles offer tranquility, functionality, minimalism, order and openness, and with some, even a sense of mystery, like these pathways to private retreats. So what did you think? These pathways led us to entrances, backyards, down, around, and through water features, across lawns, and to private retreats. Destination pathways connect our backyard spaces, and with each step, we silently notice them, and although rarely discussed, we enjoy the flow and ease of a pathway.
A lot of information there on backyard pathways. I really hope that one of them is useful for you and that you could use in your space. All right, guys, thanks again for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We'll see you in the next video.